Hi and welcome back to UBookkeep. All right, some of you don't get paper statements anymore, okay? Some of you prefer to go online and export your bank information to a CSV file or some type of an Excel file. And what I'm going to show you is how to take that export and use that information and copy and paste that into UBookkeep. So if you don't go off your paper statements like the last video I put together, this video is going to show you how to use the exported information and add that into UBookkeep. It's a much faster way of doing it, but it's all about preference. So in this case, we have our same bank statement, but what I did is I filled it out here. Okay, let's say this is our export, and we have a date range. This won't be there, of course. This is something you would fill in after the fact. You might just insert a column and then fill out what account number it goes to, and that's really it. But you have your amounts there. You can I threw in here just so you can see that the numbers tie our beginning balance, which was showing up at the top here, $5,800, and our ending balance is our beginning balance plus all the transactions. So there's going to be some increases and some decreases. Now your Excel file that you take from your bank statement will probably most likely break them down into two columns, a debit column and a credit column, or a deposit column and a withdrawal column. But you can move those things over and copy and paste them all into one column. That's up to you. But I'm just going to show you here how easy it is to copy and paste this information, is how fast. So we have a date range here. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go into my UBookkeep file. I'm going to paste everything here. I'm going to click on this control panel here. I'm just going to paste his values. So everything is there, done. I'm going to go back to my Excel file here. I'm going to put the account numbers in. These are all my account numbers in the order I want. I'm going to go back to the file here. I'm going to paste, and I'm going to paste those as values as well. That means it's going to keep all the formatting that's already here. Then I'm going to come over to the increases and decreases. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to copy that information in. I'm going to come over here, paste, again, values, and there we go. Everything is there. Now you'll see this number doesn't quite tie because we didn't put our beginning balance in there. So if I go back to my Excel where I added my beginning balance, I can copy that and do the same exact thing. Paste it here as values. All right, and now we have our $7,945, which if I go to my bank statement is our ending balance, $7,945, and just that quickly we've entered all the information we need for UBookkeep. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use UBookkeep. You don't have to worry about going into different modules to reconcile your information. You don't have to worry about going to different modules to create a transaction, to break out a transaction. One of the issues I have experience with it myself is when you move a transaction, it's very difficult to break out that transaction. When I would move things over automatically through some of these larger softwares, I couldn't break it out. I had to wait till it came over. Then I would have to make another entry to move that transaction into different pieces. So if I wanted to break out my sales, that one lump sum, into different sales accounts, it would take me some time. Here, in this case, these sales items here I wanted to break down. Before I actually added to it, I could break these sales down. So I can set up my accounts to a 3000 account, a 3001 account, a 3002 account, a 3003 account, so on and so forth. And I can break out that $200.50 into three different ways, depending on how those sales came in. Then I can copy that information over to this statement here. So the ending balance would be the same, and I could, in this case, highlight three items and let them know that those three items or those two items were for that one transaction on the bank statement. But you can do this any way you want. But I just wanted to show you how easy it was to update UBookkeep from an exported Excel file that you would get normally through your online bank portal. If you have any questions, let us know.